Have you ever noticed something strange? You know English. You really do. But the moment you try to speak, your mind just stops?
Oh, yes. That freeze. That scary silence. I know it too well.
Ugh. You understand movies, you understand podcasts, you understand YouTube videos, but when it's your turn to talk, nothing comes out.
Exactly. And people think, oh, my English is bad. But that's not true.
No, it's not about English at all. It's about fear.
Fear of mistakes. Fear of sounding stupid. Fear of being judged.
Emma told me this last week. She said, Robert, my English disappears when I speak.
Oh, that sentence hits hard.
Yes, because English doesn't disappear. Confidence disappears.
Uh-huh. And today, we're going to talk about that.
Exactly. Why you freeze, why your brain goes blank, and how to fix it naturally.
Stay with us, because at the end of this video, you'll know why native speakers sound relaxed and why you can too.
And no, this is not about grammar rules, not about perfect sentences.
It's about something much deeper.
Robert, let me ask you something. When did you first feel this fear?
I remember clearly. I was talking to a native speaker. My heart was beating fast. My hands were cold.
Oh, I know that feeling.
I wanted to say something simple, very simple, but my brain started translating, thinking, checking grammar.
And then silence?
Yes, complete silence.
Emma had the same problem. She said, I think too much.
That's the key, thinking too much.
Here's the truth. Your brain is overloaded.
When you speak your native language, you don't think. You just speak.
But in English, you try to be perfect.
Perfect grammar, perfect accent, perfect words.
And perfection kills fluency.
Yes, native speakers are not perfect. They pause, they repeat, they make mistakes.
But learners don't allow themselves that.
Stress changes your voice, your breathing, your thinking.
That's why your voice sounds weak sometimes.
And that makes you feel worse.
A vicious circle.
Emma once said, I feel small when I speak English.
Oh, that's emotional.
Yes, language is emotional.
Here's a small secret. Freezing is not a language problem.
It's a nervous system problem
And that's good news.
because it can be trained.
In the next part, we'll talk about why your brain panics even when you know the words.
And we'll show you what native speakers do differently without realizing it.
Don't go anywhere. This is where real change begins. Okay, let's go deeper.
This is the part people usually ignore.
Robert, have you noticed the moment you want to speak English, another voice appears?
Oh yes, that inner voice.
The one that says, wait, check grammar, don't sound stupid.
Uh-huh. Emma calls it the inner teacher.
That's a good name, because teachers correct. They interrupt.
And interruption kills flow.
Exactly. Your brain cannot speak and analyze at the same time.
It's like driving and reading a map every second.
So what happens? Your brain chooses safety.
Silence feels safer than mistakes.
Here's something important. When you feel stressed, your brain switches mode.
Fight or flight.
Yes, and language is not a priority there.
Survival first, speaking later.
Emma told me, my chest gets tight when I speak English.
That's physical, not mental.
And people think they need more vocabulary.
But the problem is tension.
Let me ask you something. Why do learners compare themselves to native speakers?
because natives sound effortless.
But that's unfair.
Very unfair. You're comparing practice with performance.
Emma once said, "They speak so fast."
They don't. They just pause naturally.
Yes, pauses make speech sound fluent.
But learners fear pauses.
This is big. Pauses are not mistakes.
They're tools.
Native speakers say, you know, I mean,
To buy time.
but learners stay silent.
And silence feels awkward.
Let's change perspective. You are not failing.
You are learning under pressure.
That's harder.
Much harder.
Robert, remember your first conversation?
Oh yes, painful, but necessary.
Emma avoided speaking for years
And when she started, she improved fast.
because fear fades with exposure.
Fluency is not speed.
It's comfort.
Comfort with imperfection.
When you accept mistakes, your brain relaxes.
And relaxed brains speak.
In the next part, we'll talk about a simple daily habit that removes this fear.
Something Emma uses now, every day.
And it takes less than 5 minutes.
Don't miss it.
Okay, now we move to practice. Not theory, real life.
This is the part people wait for.
Yes, because here, everything changes.
Emma said this part changed her confidence.
Imagine this. Morning. You wake up.
Your phone is still silent.
No grammar book, no rules.
Just your voice.
Emma does one thing. Only one.
She talks to herself.
People think talking to yourself is strange
But your brain loves it.
because there is no pressure.
No one corrects you.
Emma starts like this. Okay, today is Monday.
Simple. Very simple.
Then she adds feelings. I feel tired. I feel okay. I feel excited.
No long sentences.
Here's the rule. Only 3 minutes.
Not more.
Your brain accepts small tasks.
Long tasks create resistance.
Robert tried 10 minutes once.
Yeah, I quit after 2 days.
Emma stayed with 3 minutes. Every day.
What about mistakes?
Good question. Emma ignores them.
Completely?
Yes. No stopping, no fixing.
That's hard.
At first. Then, freeing.
Because flow matters more.
Something interesting happens.
Tell me,
Your brain starts predicting words.
like autocomplete?
Exactly. That's fluency.
Not perfect grammar.
Second step. Record yourself.
Oh, that sounds scary.
Emma hated it too.
Her voice sounded strange.
Everyone's does.
But listening helps.
Important detail. Don't analyze.
Just listen?
Yes. Listen for rhythm.
Pauses. Breathing.
That's how natives sound natural.
Is morning enough?
One more thing at night.
Short again?
Very short. 1 minute.
What does Emma say?
She reviews the day. Today I worked. I talked to Anna. I was stressed.
Real life sentences.
Emotion is key
Why?
because emotion locks memory.
So feeling helps fluency.
Exactly.
How fast did Emma change?
7 days.
7 days?
Not perfect English, but less fear.
And less fear means more speaking.
Let's summarize. Short practice, daily, no correction.
Emotion, voice, comfort.
This is how fluency starts.
Not in books.
In your mouth. Okay, now this part is important. Because here, most people stop.
Yeah, this is where fear lives.
Exactly. Emma told me this part was the hardest
Why do people freeze?
because of one thought. What if I sound stupid?
Oh, that thought.
Everyone has it. Emma, Robert, me, you.
What does the brain want?
Safety.
Not correctness?
No. Safety first.
So speaking feels dangerous.
Exactly. Emma changed one thing.
What?
She stopped trying to speak well. She started speaking badly on purpose.
That sounds crazy.
She said things like, I go shop yesterday. I very tired now.
That's wrong English.
Yes. And that's why it worked.
Because pressure disappeared.
After 1 week, Emma spoke to a real person.
Who?
A cashier. Very simple.
What did she say?
Hi, card, please.
That's it?
The cashier understood her.
That's huge.
Yes. Emma realized something.
Understanding matters more than grammar.
Next day, she added one sentence.
Which one?
Busy today?
Short? Natural?
The cashier smiled.
What about body language?
Very important.
More than words?
Sometimes, yes.
So Emma relaxed her shoulders.
And spoke slower. Here is a big myth.
Tell me.
Pauses are bad.
But natives pause.
Exactly. Emma learned to pause. She spoke like this. I think, this is okay.
Very natural.
Yes.
How often did she practice this?
Every day. Small moments.
Not long talks?
No. Some days were bad.
Emma didn't want to speak?
Yes. She felt stupid again.
That's normal.
Emma told herself one thing.
What?
It's okay to be slow.
That sentence heals.
Mental block breaks slowly.
Not with force.
With kindness. Small talk. Pauses. Real people.
This is real English.
Okay, now let's talk about daily routine. Because this is where real change happens.
Not motivation?
No. Routine beats motivation.
What should Emma do in the morning?
Very simple. 3 minutes.
Only 3?
Yes. Emma wakes up. She looks in the mirror.
And
She speaks one sentence.
what sentence?
Something easy. Today I feel tired. Today I feel okay. Today I feel nervous.
No grammar thinking?
Never. This warms up the brain.
Like stretching before running?
Exactly.
What about during the day?
Micro moments. Very small.
Example?
Emma waits for coffee. She says quietly, coffee smells good,
Even alone?
especially alone.
What about Robert?
Robert practices in the bus. He looks outside. He describes things.
Like what?
People are tired, the sky is gray, the bus is full. Important rule.
Tell me.
Pause is allowed. Emma learned to stop.
Stop mid-sentence?
Yes. I think, this is better.
What if she makes mistakes?
Good.
Good?
Yes. Mistake means you are speaking.
What about evening routine?
2 minutes. Emma sits. She breathes.
Then?
She says one thing she said today.
Like what?
I asked for help. I said hello. I didn't freeze.
That builds confidence.
Slowly, but surely. Emma cried one evening
Why?
because she realized something. She is not bad at English.
She was just afraid.
English is not talent.
It's habit.
Daily, small, messy.
What about the listener?
If you are listening now, this message is for you.
You don't need perfect English.
You need courage to sound imperfect.
Courage grows with practice.
3 minutes today, that's enough.
Speak today.
Pause if you need,
Make mistakes.
and speak again tomorrow. That's real English.